So you might be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and make your app's dark mode on iOS 18. Now, doing this is actually very basic and it really does not take too much time at all. So if you're on iOS 18, the way to go ahead and do this is very, very basic. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and hold down on your app icon. So hold down on any app icon just like this. And what you want to do is you want to click on Edit Home Screen. So all you want to do is you want to tap on Edit Home Screen just like this. And then what you want to do is you want to click on Edit in the top left corner. So tap on Edit, and then you're going to see this page come up. Now what you want to do here is you want to go ahead and click on Customize. So tap on Customize, and then at the very bottom, you'll see this page come up. Now what you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and click on this dark mode option that comes up right here. So click on dark, and then you'll see this page come up. So now all these applications will now be dark, and you can go ahead and use your phone as you normally would. So you can kind of maneuver around things, you can use your phone as you normally would, but now this phone and these applications will all be dark, and that's basically that. You can also go back, click on Edit Home Screen one more time, click on Edit in the top left corner, click on Customize, and you can go through and go back into Tint right here, and you can tint these out to a different color too if you want to, or you can click back on Light. You can go back to the previous page too. So that's basically how to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.